Welcome everyone to the Amoolah Keto and Low Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite egg-free keto and low carb samosas. So straight into the ingredients, we will need 1 cup of gluten flour with a dash of salt. Here I am using a standard cooking or food measuring cup, widely available worldwide, and this is the gluten flour that I use. In the UK, you can find it on Amazon UK or your local Morrisons, and the one I use is labeled grain keto. And place into the food processor. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And to hold everything together, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum and mix together. Now we're going to add room temperature water. However, we're going to do this slowly, tablespoon by tablespoon. Initially, I added around 3 tablespoons and mix. And then we're going to add less water as we can see the dough is forming. And this is the consistency of the dough that we are aiming for. It's doughy and malleable. Now we're going to roll out our dough. So cutting a piece, I'm initially going to use a rolling pin. I've dusted some gluten flour to help with the process. After this light initial roll, I am now going to use a manual pasta machine as I want a rather thin dough to make our samosas. Here I am manually adjusting the machine, and at number 5 is where I achieved our desired thickness. Here you can see it's semi-transparent and you can just about see my black gloves. This is the thickness that we are aiming for, so quite thin. Now let's move on so we can shape and fill out our samosas. So before we shape and fill our samosas, I'm just going to use a pasta cutter to shape the edges. Of course, you can use a knife. As for the filling, of course, you can use any filling you would like. Today I'm using a cheesy spinach filling. Place your desired filling at the end of the dough rectangle. So placing some slightly pressure as you fold corner to form a triangle. And then you can place the end of the rectangle into the pouch that is formed. Today I'll be shallow frying our samosas in olive oil suitable for frying. Place into the olive oil when hot. Of course, you can bake or even air fry, but today I'll be frying till golden brown and then place onto the kitchen paper. As you can see, the paper hasn't fully absorbed the oil. They're nice and crunchy and smell great. Our lovely crunchy golden samosas are now ready. They are not oily. They've kept the shape. That crunch is due to the gluten flour. You can also place the dough in the freezer when you need them. I hope you try it out and let me know. Any questions, please leave them below. And until next time.